I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 19 of English, and the name of the chapter is The Idioms. So we are talking about the idioms in this chapter. So what are idioms? Let's first of all know this. An idiom is a mode of expression peculiar to a language. Its meaning cannot be understood from the ordinary meanings of its words. तो idioms जो है वो हमने कुछ particular expressions को लेकर बनाए हुए हैं, राइट? जो इन idioms के मीनिंग्स हैं वो अगर हम नॉर्मली वर्ड्स को उनके मीनिंग से ट्रांसफर करें तो हम बिल्कुल नहीं समझ पाए, राइट? सो उनके मीनिंग्स थोड़े से डिफरेंट होते हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द एग्जांपल्स. Here we have here are some examples. So at any rate, whatever may happen, right? At any rate यानी कि इसका मतलब होता है whatever may happen, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, at any cost, right? किसी भी कीमत पे, जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. So इसका एग्जाम्पल है at any rate I must get first class in the annual examination, right? Next is the absent-minded. इसका मीनिंग है to be inattentive, कि अगर आपका दिमाग जो है वो वहां पर नहीं है, कि आप वहां पर क्लास में अटेंटिव नहीं थे, तो टीचर ऑलवेज पॉइंट्स आउट यू आर एब्सेंट माइंडेड, राइट? कि आपका दिमाग यहाँ पर नहीं है, आप अटेंशन नहीं दे रहे हो, यू आर इनअटेंटिव ड्यूरिंग दैट लेक्चर, राइट? सो एग्जाम्पल है इसका, an absent-minded person can never get success in his life, right? After that, the next example is absorb in, very busy. तो absorb in का मतलब होता है बहुत ही ज्यादा busy रहने वाला person, right? So as the examination are near, the students absorb in the studies, right? कि जैसे ही examinations आने वाले होते हैं, तो जो बच्चे हैं वो स्टडीज में बहुत ज्यादा बिजी हो जाते हैं, राइट? आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वी हैव accede to, agree to, राइट? accede to का मतलब होता है agree to, कि आपने उस चीज से एग्री किया, हामी भर दिया आपने उस चीज, राइट? सो द एग्जाम्पल इज, नाउ रमेश हैज नो वे एक्सेप्ट to accede to his proposal, right? After that, next is account for, to give reason. account for यानी कि आप किसी चीज के लिए वजह दे रहे हो, आपने कोई काम नहीं किया and you are giving a reason for that, right? So example is, he will have to account for his negligence, right? कि उसे अपने negligence के लिए कोई ना कोई reason देना पड़ेगा. After that, next is against a rainy day or hard days. अब अगेंस्ट अ रेनी डे यानी कि फॉर हार्ड डेज, तो मुश्किलों भरे दिन होते हैं, राइट? सो इट इज विश टू सेव मनी अगेंस्ट अ रेनी डे, राइट? आफ्टर दैट द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल सेज A1 द बेस्ट, सॉरी A1 इज द बेस्ट, कि जब भी कोई चीज बेस्ट होती है और हमें उस चीज को रिव्यू करना होता है तो वी से A1, राइट? सो the game of our school was A1, right? After that, the next example that we have is bear the palm. That means win. किसी भी चीज को जीत लेना, उसको क्या कहते हैं हम? Bear the palm. So the sentence says our college team bore the palm in the final match, right? After that, next thing that we have is beat black and blue. Beat severely, राइट? कि किसी को जोर जोर से बहुत बुरे तरीके से मारना. सो द सेंटेंस इज ही विल बीट द थीफ ब्लैक एंड ब्लू, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज डिसाइड द मार्क, अनसूटेबल, यानी कि जब कोई भी चीज हमें सूट नहीं करती है, दैट इज एक्चुअली अनफिट फॉर अस, जो हमें बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती है, राइट? So the sentence is, your suggestion is beside the mark, right? उसी के बाद next आता है cats and dogs rain heavily. So the example is cats and dogs, यानी कि जिसका मतलब होता है रेन्स हेवीली, बहुत जोर से बारिश होना. Yesterday it rained cats and dogs. Next is to call in question to doubt. अब किसी भी चीज के लिए क्वेश्चन उठाना, राइट? तो उस चीज को कहा जाता है डाउट होना. ऑब्वियसली आप क्वेश्चन तभी उठाते हो जब आपको कोई डाउट होता है. So the sentence is, I do not call in question for your honesty, right? Next example that we have is to cry over spilt milk, यानी कि to feel sorry for the past, यानी कि जब आपसे कोई गलती हो चुकी है पास्ट में पर आप उसके लिए अपना प्रेजेंट भी खराब कर रहे हो, right? You are continuously crying for that mistake, continuously crying and spoiling even your present and your future. That is the thing that we call it to cry over the spilt milk, right? So the example says, do not cry over spilt milk, right? Next is क्रैक अ जोक, यानी कि टेल अ फनी स्टोरी. तो जब भी हम कोई फनी स्टोरी बताते हैं या कुछ भी ऐसा इंसिडेंट बताते हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा फनी हो, तो उसे कहते हैं क्रैक अ जोक, राइट? और उसका सेंटेंस है ही इज फेमस फॉर क्रैकिंग जोक्स, राइट? आफ्टर दैट द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज डू नॉट डू नथिंग दैट इज यूजलेस. जब आप कोई भी काम नहीं करते हो, किसी भी यूज के नहीं होते हो, जो भी चीज बहुत ज्यादा बेकार हो जाती है, जो हमारे किसी काम की नहीं होती है, उसे हम यूजलेस बोलते हैं, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स डू नथिंग. तो इसका सेंटेंस जो है वो है मनीष इज अ डू नथिंग फेलो. उसी के बाद आता है डिपार्टेड सोल डेड. अब डिपार्टेड सोल डेड का क्या मतलब है? दैट मीन्स कि जो बॉडी है उसमें से जो सोल है वो अब अलग हो चुकी है. दैट मीन्स द पर्सन इज डेड. सो द एग्जाम्पल सेज मे गॉड गिव पीस टू द डिपार्टेड सोल. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट इज एंड इन स्मोक, टू बी अनसक्सेसफुल. तो अब एंड इन स्मोक यानी टू बी अनसक्सेसफुल, यानी कि अपनी लाइफ में कभी भी कोई अच्छा काम ना कर पाना. दैट इज यू आर नॉट सक्सेसफुल इन योर लाइफ. So the example says the meeting ended in smoke, right? After that, next example that we have is en route, जिसका मतलब है on the way. जब आप रास्ते में होते हो, किसी भी सफर पर जा रहे होते हो, you have a destination और आप वहाँ के रास्ते में हो, that means you are on the way. So इसका sentence है he dropped Itars at Itarsi en route to Mumbai. After that, the next is the everlasting. That means God. कि जब भी कोई अमर होता है, right? Everlasting means जो कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकता, जो कभी मर नहीं सकता. That means God. इसको हम भगवान मानते हैं. So the sentence says the everlasting knows everything better, right? Next is early and late. All the time, at all time. Early and late means all time, सारे time. Right? So the example says, my friends may visit me early and late, right? So next we have end in a draw, end without any result, right? End in a draw कि हम उस चीज को end कर चुके हैं, right? So the sentence says the cricket match ended in a draw, यानी कि उसका कोई भी रिजल्ट नहीं निकला, ना कोई टीम जीती ना ही कोई टीम हारी, right? After that next we have fair play, यानी कि just treatment. Yes. So the sentence is we want only fair play and no favor, right? उसी के बाद आता है fall of quarrel. So fall off यानी कि लड़ाई करना. Quarrel means लड़ाई. So the sentence is you should not fall full of your brother, right? Next is from pillar to past. जिसका मतलब है फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, यानी कि एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पर जाना, जिसका सेंटेंस है शेर शाह ड्रोव हुमायूं from pillar to the posts, right? After that, next we have flesh and blood. That is human nature, right? इंसान का बर्ताव. So the sentence is, a man of flesh and blood will not bear this insult, right? Next is for my life. That means to save my life, यानी कि मेरी जान बचाना. Yes, so I shall not tell lie for my life. After that, next thing is to go to the dogs to be ruined. कि अपने आप को बर्बाद कर लेना. Yes, so the sentence is, he may go to the dogs due to his bad habits of drinking. Right? उसी के बाद next is go through, यानी कि bear, यानी कि उस चीज को झेलना. Right? The thing that you are going through, उस चीज को झेलना. So the sentence says, to go through the difficulties is the way to get success. Right? Next is gird up the lions, to be ready. Right? यानी कि तैयार हो जाना किसी भी चुनौती के लिए, उसका सामना करने के लिए. All of us must gird up to the lions to find corruption. Right? After that, next is get away, यानी कि to escape, ताकि उस चीज से छूट कर भाग जाना. Right? So, we should learn to get away from difficulties. Right? Next is to grease the palm, to bribe, यानी कि bribe यानी कि किसी चीज को बहुत ज्यादा किसी चीज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करना, एड़ियां घुसना. राइट? सो sentences, nowadays everything can be done by greasing the palm of the concerned person. Right? Next is hand and glove, यानी कि on very intimate terms. Right? इसका जो sentence है वो है, Sarla and Sahil are hand and glove with each other. Right? After that, the next idiom that we have is hang in the balance. That means doubtful. कि आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा doubtful हो, सोच में हो उस चीज को लेकर. Right? So the sentence says, his success in the examination hangs in balance. After that, next is to have clean hands. That means to be innocent, यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा शरीफ. ठीक है? तो उसका सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ है, one who has clean hands has nothing to fear. जिसने कोई भी गलती ना करी हो उसे डर नहीं लगता है. Right? Next is to hold good. That means valid. कि कोई भी चीज जो आप कर रहे हो वो जायज है. Right? You are not at all ashamed of it. So, the sentence is, this rule does not hold good for all the time. Next, ins and outs, full details. That means किसी भी चीज के लिए कुछ भी डिटेल हो वो प्रोवाइड करना. Right? So, the manager of the factory knows the ins and outs of the matter. After that, the next thing that we have is in no time. That means very soon. बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी. So, the sentence is, he has finished his homework in no time. Right? उसी के बाद आता है in vogue. That is in custom. Custom means जो rituals होते हैं. Right? जो traditions हम follow करते हैं. So, the sentence is, idol worship is in vogue among the Hindus. Next is in affix. That means perplexed. इसका sentence है, he has lost all his money. Now he is in affix about his future. Right? उसी के बाद example आता है in the twinkling of an eye. In no future. सॉरी इन नो टाइम, यानी कि बिल्कुल भी टाइम ना लेना उस चीज के लिए, उसको झट से कर देना. So the sentence is, she finished her work in the twinkling of an eye. Right? उसी के बाद आता है to keep an eye, that means to watch, यानी कि उस चीज को देखना. So the sentence is, we should keep an eye on your new servants. Right? Next is to keep peace with, that means go along with, उस चीज के साथ ही जाना. So the sentence is, the intelligent persons generally keep pace with all the international affairs. Right? Moving ahead. So, to keep the powder dry, be ready for every work. यानी कि किसी भी काम के लिए तुरंत रेडी रहना. Yes? तो उसका सेंटेंस है, if you want success, you must keep the powder dry. Right? उसी के बाद नेक्स्ट आता है kith and kin, that means near and dear. Right? ये बहुत ज्यादा क्लोज वंस जो होते हैं हम लोगों. All his kith and kin attended his marriage. After that, next is lion's share. That means the largest share, सबसे बड़ा share, right? So, Mr. Hari Om gets the lion's share in the running of institution, right? उसी के बाद आता है next, to lose the day. That means to be defeated, यानी कि किसी से हार जाना, right? So the sentence is, the Marathas lost the day in the battle of Panipat, right? After that, next is to look sharp. That means be quick. किसी भी काम के लिए बहुत जल्दी करना, right? To be attentive. Next, so the sentence is, look sharp, otherwise you will not be able to finish your work in time. After that, next is to lay out. That means invest. किसी भी चीज में invest करना, either your time or your money or your efforts, whatever it is, right? So, Birla Company has laid out 1,000 crores in their business, right? उसी के बाद next आता है to lay hands on. That means to attack. किसी पर हमला करना, right? So some dacoits laid hands on the village. After that, next one is to make good. That means to cover the loss. यानी कि हमारा जो नुकसान हुआ था उसकी भरपाई करना, right? So, as it says, the loss of character cannot be made good, right? Next, man of letters, that is learned man, यानी कि जिसने वो काम सीखा हुआ हो. So, Dr. Ramesh Chand Mudgal is a man of letters, यानी कि उन्होंने ये सब काम अच्छे से सीखा हुआ है, right? Next is to make sure, that is to ascertain, यानी कि किसी भी चीज के लिए surety हो जाना. So the sentence is, we should make sure that we shall meet tomorrow, right? After that, the next one is make off with, to run away, यानी कि वहां से भाग जाना. So it says, the thieves made off with all the valuable jewelry, right? Next, मेक फेसेस मॉक एट, यानी कि जब भी आपको कोई चीज ना पसंद आए तो आप उसके ऊपर उसे देखकर लाइक यू मेक फेसेस, आप मुंह बनाने लग जाते हो, राइट? सो नॉटी बॉयज ऑफन मेक फेसेस एट द ओल्ड पीपल. नेक्स्ट, नल एंड बॉय, दैट मीन्स हैविंग नो इफेक्ट, कि आप पर उस चीज का कोई भी प्रभाव पड़ना बंद हो चुका है, राइट? सो all his efforts to reform his son proved null and void. After that, next is in the nick of time, exactly at the right moment. So, my elder brother reached the station in the nick of time when the train was to start. ये exactly बिल्कुल एक सही समय पर entry लेना, उस काम को करना, that is known as in the nick of time. Next is off and on, that is now and then, right? So, off and on यानी कि now or then. So, the sentence is I visit my friend off or on, या तो अभी या फिर बाद में, right? Next is offhand without any preparation, right? So, the sentence is our English teacher taught the lesson offhand, यानी कि पढ़ान यानी कि किसी भी चीज के लिए कोई प्रिपरेशन ना होना, right? At the moment अपना परफॉर्मेंस देना. Next is with an arms, that is with open arms, that means cordially, यानी खुशी खुशी उस चीज को accept कर लेना. So the thing is, Lal Bahadur Shastri was received by everyone with open arms, right? After that, next we have out and out completely. That means पूरे तरीके से. So the sentence is Mr. Harish is now out and out. After that, next is of no avail. That means useless. किसी भी चीज को बिल्कुल useless बना देना जिस उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है, right? So the sentence is all his efforts are of no avail now. उसी के बाद आता है out of spirits in a sad mood, यानी कि मूड बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो जाना. So after the death of his son, he is out of spirits, right? Next आता है हमारा part and parcel, that means essential, यानी कि बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी जो हमारे लिए हो चीज. So the sentence is man's heart is a part and parcel of the human pell-mell, that is in confusion, right? कि बहुत ही ज्यादा confusion है उस चीज को लेकर. So the sentence is seeing the police, the thieves ran pell-mell. उसी के बाद आता है next play a double game, that means deceive, यानी दो तरफा गेम खेलना, यानी किसी को चीट करना, धोखा देना, right? So the sentence is Harish is playing double game with his friends. After that, next is play ducks and drakes, spend money uselessly, right? कि तो अपना खर्चा जो है, अपने पैसे जो है वो बिना मतलब बिना देखे इधर उधर और उन्हें यूज करना. So that says he plays ducks and drakes with his money, right? उसी के बाद नेक्स्ट आता है put in, that is write down, यानी कि उस चीज को लिखना. So this says Minnie put in his application in black and white to his manager. Next आता है उसी के बाद a red letter day, that means very important day, कि वो दिन बहुत ही ज्यादा important है, right? So the sentence is January 26 is a red letter for Indians, right? Next, root and branch completely. So root and branch means पूरे तरीके से, completely. So the sentence is Gandhiji tried to reform the Indian society, root and branch. Next is run through, that is pierce, मतलब practice, right? So the sentence is his sharp words ran through my ears. After that, next is square meal, that is full meal, यानी पूरा खाना, full diet, right? So most people in India do not get even one square meal a day, right? Next is summer friends, that is friends in prosperity. So you may have summer friends very easily, right? After that, next is to see the light. That means to be born, यानी कि पैदा होना, right? So he saw the light on October 30, 1964. Next is set on fire to ignite, यानी कि ignite करना. So the stickers set the factory on fire. After that, next is send for. That means to call in, कि किसी को बुलाकर लाना, right? So my father is ill because ill. Please send for a doctor. After that, next is time and tide. That means opportunities, यानी कि मौका मिलना. Yes. So the sentence is time and tide wait for none. Right? Next is top to be from head to foot. यानी कि सर से लेके पैर तक. So that says the manager looked at the man from top to toe. Next, true to one's salt. That means faithful to one's master. यानी कि अपने जो मालिक हैं, हमारे जो मास्टर हैं, उनके प्रति वफादारी दिखाना. So it says, Mr. Ramesh is true to his salt. After that, next is turn tail. That means to run away. So इसका मीनिंग यानी कि वहां से भाग जाना, किसी भी सिचुएशन को फेस ना करके वहां से भाग जाना. So the sentence is at the last the robbers turned tail. To the backbone. That means staunch. And the sentence is Mr. Vidyasagar is an Arya Samajist to the backbone. Right? Mr. Vidyasagar जो है वो एक आर्य समाजिस्ट है to the backbone. After that, next is under the sun. That means anywhere in the world. The world में कहीं भी जाकर. Right? So the sentence is even a beggar has some place to live under the sun. Next, under lock and key. That means in safe custody. यानी कि सुरक्षित हाथों में होना. So the sentence is we have kept all our ornaments under the lock and key. Next is under one's nose, in front of eyes, यानी कि किसी की आंखों के सामने. So they say the dacoits looted the village under the nose of the police. Right? Next is ups and downs. That means changes of fortune. Right? कि आपके नसीब में कुछ बदलाव आना. So he has experienced many ups and downs in his life. यानी कि आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स भी आते हैं, खुशियां भी आती हैं, but you have to manage them. Right? Those are known as the ups and downs. Next is under one's nose. That is in the presence of. यानी कि किसी की आंखों के सामने, उसके वहां मौजूद होने के बाद ही. Right? So the sentence is the murder was committed under the nose of the police. Right? Next is vacant frivolities, useless enjoyments. जिसका मीनिंग है you shall stop vacant frivolities if you desire to rise in life. Right? Moving ahead. Next up we have vie with. That is compete, यानी कि किसी से टक्कर करना, बराबरी करना. Right? So the sentence is he is poor enough to vie with other candidates. Right? Next is weal and woe. That is prosperity and adversity. So the sentence is he will stand by you in weal and woe. Next, with might and main. That is will all forces. यानी कि सभी ताकत लगा देगा. Right? So You must work with might and main to get first division. अपनी सारे पार्ट जितने भी आपका फोकस है वो सब उस चीज को लगा देना. Next is wild goose chase. That means useless efforts. यानी कि आप जो efforts कर रहे हो, आप जो मेहनत कर रहे हो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है, right? So it is a wild goose chase for him to try to become a doctor. Yes. Next is to win laurel win distinction. So next the exam statement is Kalidas won laurels in the world of literature. यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा तरक्की प्राप्त करना. Next is without rhyme or reason, without any logical reason. यानी कि किसी भी logical reason के बगैर. So Mr. Jacob was dismissed from his service without rhyme. Next is yes man, complete follower. So this is Mr. Jaggi was the yes man of the principal, yani ki chamcha, right? So that is what yes man is known as. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all learned many more idioms by this chapter and you all enjoyed this video and learned something new from this. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.